Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Electrify America account for faster station discovery, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Electrify America account, start by visiting the Electrify America website. Click on the sign in option located at the top right corner of the homepage. If you don't have an account yet, select the Create Account button. Fill in the required fields like your name, email address, and password. Make sure to create a strong password that meets the security criteria. After entering your details, review the terms and conditions. Once you agree, click on the Create Account button to submit your information. You will receive a confirmation email to the address you provided. Open your email and find the message from Electrify America. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once redirected, you can log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Profile or Account Settings section. Here, you can add payment information to facilitate station access. Make sure to enter accurate billing details to avoid issues later. Now, return to the home page and explore the Station Locator feature. You can enable location services on your device for faster station discovery. Use the map to find nearby Electrify America charging. Select a station to view details such as availability and charging speeds. You are now fully set up to use Electrify America for your charging needs. Enjoy the convenience of fast station discovery for your electric vehicle journeys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.